But it's a bonus track on the album actually, it's not on Spotify. This is called Run From The Flood.
Though it does you no good, you'll never outrun the rain. Sing out in chorus as the water comes for us, I'll never see you again. From the fire all your worldly desire, but all around you is in flames. All that once mattered will be lost to the ashes, I'll never see you again. Hide from the storm, find a place to stay warm when black clouds are over your head. Go deep under to the rolling of thunder, and I'll never see you again. Down from the sky comes my shimmering light, shining to show you the way. But it only brings blindness to the meager and mindless who live to see the new day. Oh, run from the flood, though it does you no good, you'll never outrun the rain. We will sing out in chorus as the water comes for us, I'll never see you. Thanks everyone. It's good to have you in the car now. Thank you so much for having me. Okay,